Oh, wow, man. Like, it's so great to be young and living in Southern California, man. I really like it. This is, like, really where it's at, man. I feel so sorry for the rest of the world, man. Look at that! A baby birdie! Oh, wow, man. I gotta give it space so it can grow and thrive and everything. Oh, wow, a baby birdie! Well, I gotta give it space, Pete. Oh, wow, there, baby bird. How you do, baby bird? You go to some...
Out of my way, William!
Oh, wow, man, what are you coming in with? Your bad vibes and everything, like you're gonna disturb like the little baby birdie.
What's this? Baby birdie!
Oh.
What I think of you, baby birdie?
What? Oh! Oh, you murderer! Oh, man! Oh, man, I gotta go to my psychiatrist!